Introducing the Desktop Socket Fixer, a sleek and innovative solution designed to conquer the cable chaos that plagues your desktop. This isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer for those who value organization, efficiency, and a clutter-free workspace. Imagine a compact device that seamlessly integrates into your desktop, providing a designated space for all your cables and sockets. The Desktop Socket Fixer is designed to be discreet yet powerful, transforming the way you interact with your electronic devices. Let's explore the design of this ingenious fixer. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and adaptability. The fixer features multiple ports and sockets, each strategically placed to accommodate different types of cables, from power cords and USB cables to HDMI and audio cables. The layout is intuitive, ensuring that each cable finds its proper home, eliminating the tangled mess that often plagues desktops. Now, let's talk about the installation process. The Desktop Socket Fixer is designed to be user-friendly, with options for both permanent installation and portable use. For those who crave a seamless integrated look, the fixer can be easily installed into your desktop surface, creating a flush, clutter-free finish. Alternatively, if you prefer a more flexible setup, the fixer can be used as a portable device that sits atop your desk, ready to corral your cables at a moment's notice. Consider the impact on your daily work routine. No more searching for the right cable or entangling a web of wires when you need to connect a device. The Desktop Socket Fixer brings order to the chaos, allowing you to focus on your tasks without the distraction of a disorganized workspace. It's a small but significant shift that enhances your productivity and creates a more conducive environment for creativity and concentration. Now, let's delve into the versatility of the fixer. Its multiple ports and sockets are not limited to a specific type of device or cable. Whether you're connecting a laptop, charging your smartphone, or plugging in external peripherals, the fixer accommodates a variety of devices seamlessly. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any workspace, catering to the diverse needs of the modern professional or tech enthusiast. Moreover, the Desktop Socket Fixer caters to the evolving nature of technology. As new devices and cables enter the market, the fixer remains adaptable. Its modular design allows for easy updates, ensuring that you can keep pace with technological advancements without the need for a complete overhaul of your desktop setup. It's a future-proof solution that grows with your needs. Consider the impact on the aesthetics of your workspace. The fixer is not just a practical accessory, it's a visual upgrade for your desktop. Its sleek design and flush installation create a polished modern look that complements any decor style. Say goodbye to unsightly cable nests and hello to a workspace that exudes professionalism and order. Let's address the concerns of those who may worry about the permanence of installing a fixer into their desktop. The fixer is designed to be minimally invasive, with installation options that allow for easy removal or repositioning if needed. Its unobtrusive design ensures that it seamlessly integrates into your desktop without compromising its structural integrity. Now, let's explore the emotional aspect of using the Desktop Socket Fixer. Beyond its practical benefits, it becomes a symbol of control and order in a world that often feels chaotic. The act of plugging in a device becomes a streamlined, stress-free experience, and the visual impact of a tidy desktop fosters a sense of calm and focus. In conclusion, I think the Desktop Socket Fixer is not just a gadget, it's a solution to a common problem faced by anyone with electronic devices on their desktop. Its thoughtful design, versatility, and adaptability make it a must-have for those who value an organized and efficient workspace. With the fixer, your desktop becomes a haven of order, productivity, and visual appeal. Make the switch to a clutter-free desktop experience and embrace the power of the Desktop Socket Fixer. Be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. I will see you in the next one.